Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile in the BestJobs application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it and here you can just press on edit profile, and once that is done you can just edit your profile here in this page. You can see here the about me section, the job type preferences, the professional experience, the education, the skills, the attachments, and you can edit or fill out every one of these. For example, if you press on the job type preferences, you can select here whatever you want, a remote or a homework job. You can press on yes, or like on company premises. Once again, you can just press on yes at that as well, and basically select anything else you want. And the same thing applies to the professional experience. You can just add here like a job title, for example, at a company, or job titles held at a specific company. You can enter the employer's name, the location, and you can basically fill out your profile like this. Now this may take a little bit of time, but it's important to fill out the details in your profile because it will also act as your CV basically. So in this application it's really important to fill out your profile, because every time somebody will see it, it will also act as your CV, just like I said. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.